in this galaxy, far, far away. There's never been a truly legendary person as you are, my dad. The heart of the father is the masterpiece of the nature. Good morning everyone, this is Navseerat Kaur of grade 9C and today I am going to deliver my speech on Father's Day to honor my father. And also firstly I'll give you a little introduction that why this Father's Day is celebrated. So basically Father's Day is celebrated on the third Sunday of June month every year to honor the fathers, not just dads but also great-grandfathers, grandfathers, stepfathers and fathers-in-law. So Sarona's dog, who was raised by her father after her mother's death, is regarded as the founder of Father's Day. Fathers are amazing in every way. They are fantabulous. They are always there for their child. They are always forgiving to their child. They make wrong right. They are the one who will prefer their child first, no matter what happens. They will take all the wants of his child on him, no matter what happened. The sacrifices which father made are more than everything. No matter what happened, the father is every time there for their child, no matter what happened. The language cannot express or explain the heroism, that beauty, that majority in the father's love. No matter where the daughter goes, the first love of her will be her father. The father is the man which is most handsome man in her daughter's life. The father is the one who holds her daughter's hand for a little time, but he holds her heart forever. So at the last, I just want to say that my father is my proud, my blood, my tears, my everything, my first love and my proud. At last, I just want to say that make every day Father's Day, as the father works non-stop for us every day for our better future and our better studies. So please make every day Father's Day and honor and respect them.